welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do a short video, show you I bought the Tiki brand screen and poker for the Tiki brand fire pit that I did a video on here. I'll link that down below for you guys to check out. So it's just going to be a quick one. I'll show you how it came, how to assemble it. Actually, the assembly is fairly easy, and show you how it works. So let's get into it. So I just want to show you how it comes. We got some user guide here. And here's one part of the screen. Got kind of like that gold look. We'll see how that holds up after it's under some fire there, or in fire. You see, got that there. This just goes on top like that. Put that to the side. Let's look for the poker. No, it's not gold. It's got like more of like a brass look. Oh, we got a bottle opener at the end right there. And what else do we have? That's it. Screw these two pieces together, and you're all set. So we're gonna light a fire up tonight. We're about 47 degrees here in Tampa tonight, so it's gonna have a little fire pit night. Let's go. So here's just a better look at the poker. There's a hook. Hope you guys can see that good there. And just so you get an idea, it's got some heft to it. Not bad. We got this back part has this hook also. Hope you guys can see there. And this back part also, you can hook with it. So when you want to get in there and move things around. Okay guys, so just want to show you real quick that for storage, you can actually, this is how it'll go on when you have it on, right? So you want to store it, you can put the cover over it and it'll work. Or you can actually, when it's cooled down, you can nest it in there like that and cover that up like that. And you can cover it as well. And they also sell a tabletop that you can put on here that could sit on here flat. So if you want to do that, you could do that as well. But also wanted to show you, use your stoker when you're burning, when it's lit and you want to add some more wood, you just lift it up like that. And it's got this hook right here that you could just hook it onto the this part of the net, and you can put your wood in. So that's very convenient. You just put it back up. So I got the fire lit up, and the main reason why I got this was to help with the embers, keep these embers in, contained as much as that screen can possibly do. But it's looking pretty good so far. Check it out. I can see the sparks of the embers hitting and getting caught up. There's a few that do go through, but it seems to be doing a really good job. So another cool thing is, I'm not gonna sit here and roast this way. I'm just gonna hook it and then hook the screen over here like that. And now I have direct access to everything in here. And like I said earlier, if you need to move this around, your wood packs or your fire logs, you can do that. But you could also roast your marshmallows here. Just to show you guys, after one use, this is what it looks like. Obviously, gonna change color, turn dark. I just wanted to show you guys, that's it. All right guys, so that is gonna do it for this video. I will say that the screen and poker are very pricey, $150. You can order it on the Tiki brand. I'll link it down below for you guys to check out. If you're interested, it fits well. It seems to be doing a good job containing the sparks and the embers, and hopefully ash. I have 3 logs in there right now, and it's doing a pretty decent job. So no complaints so far, looks good. But the con on this, the main con is it's very expensive at $150. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video or if you found value in it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.